Oh my god.
Hello and welcome to my channel Yalla Fun TV. How are you friends? I hope you all are fine. We are here with another very special and excited video for you. We have construction machine, we have dinosaurs, we have guns, vehicle, we have wild animal, we have dinosaur, we have farm animal, and we have your friendly neighborhood Spiderman. So let's collect all the things. That's a Thor along with a seahorse, and we just collected ATV bike, and now I'm collecting elephant with a small cowboy gun. That's a gun again with a sports bike. That's a cell phone. That's a Captain America, and this should be a zebra or a horse. That's suchomimus, a dinosaur. That's a Spiderman mask, and this is tiger, the big tiger wild animal. That's a gun, a machine gun along with Hulk, and this is gigantosaurus, the dinosaur from the past. That's a road roller, a construction big machine. That's a front loader, another construction big machine. This one is ATV bike, and we have military ship. So we have collected all the things. So let's rock and roll. Yalla 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 guys, and here we go. The water is extremely good and set. Let's start our first animal and let's wash him. That's a dinosaur. Let's yalla 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 guys. And here we go. That's a gigantosaurus, a carnivorous dinosaur from the past. Gigantosaurus. Wow. And the next one we have is ATV bike. Let's watch him. Let's yalla 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 guys. Let's watch this bike, and this is so much fun. And here we go. That's a ATV bike. I hope you like it. And that's a tiger, a big wild cat is being washed. Let's yalla 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 guys. And here we go. The tiger is being cleaned. Wow guys. The big wild animal. And the next we have is, let's wash him. That is Hulk. Let's yalla 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 guys. Here we go. The green Hulk is clean. Wow, that is so much fun. And the next we have is a big construction machine. Let's wash him. Let's yalla 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 guys. And here we go. That's a front loader. The big construction heavy machine is clean. Wow. That is super. And the next one we have is Spiderman, your friendly neighborhood. Let's yalla 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 guys, and here we go. The Spiderman is clean. Cool guys. That is so much fun.
I'm gonna die.
And the next we have some character from Avengers series. So let's yalla 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 guys. And here we go. That's a Antman, amazing character from Avengers Endgame.
The keyhole, Scott. You charge big, you dive small, then you emerge big.
And the next we have is another dinosaur. Let's watch him. Let's yalla 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 guys. And here we go. That is suchomimus, a dinosaur from the past who is a meat eater. That's a carnivore dinosaur. Great guys. Wow. And the next one we have is another beautiful ATV bike. Let's yalla guys. And here we go. Just look at this big tires, big jumps, big shocks. ATV bike. Cool guys.
Holy fuck! Oh shit!
And the next one is a phone. Let's wash him. Let's yalla guys. Let's wash him, and here we go. The cell phone is clean. That is awesome, guys. And the next one we have is we have a farm animal or a wild animal. Let's yalla guys, and here we go. That's a zebra, a wild animal.
Okay, smile. Time for your close-up.
Great guys, that is so much fun. And the next one we have is a seahorse. Let's yalla guys. And here we go. The seahorse is clean. And the next one we have is a military ship. Let's wash him. Let's yalla guys. And here we go. Just look at this beautifully colorful military ship. That is so much fun.
By the North Sea Boats Company. It is designed to be highly maneuverable and navigate in coastal and riparian environments, even with
So we have washed and a lot of things, and another we have a gun. Let's yalla guys. Let's wash him, and here we go. That's a mini cowboy pistol. Wow. Awesome guys.
Must be healthy, right? Wrong!
Blue and yellow. And the next one again we have Iron Man from Avengers Endgame. Let's yalla guys, and here we go. The Iron Man is clean. Wow, the power machine. And the next one we have is another mini cowboy pistol. Let's yalla guys. And here we go. That is the black color super cowboy pistol. Bang bang. And the next one we have elephant, the world's biggest animal. Here we go. The elephant is clean. Super guys. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is Thor from Avengers Endgame. Let's yalla guys, and here we go. The Thor is clean. Wow, that is fun. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is another big construction machine. Let's yalla guys, and here we go. This is we have the road roller. The big construction machine is being cleaned. That is super awesome. Love this heavy construction machine. And the next one we have is again some character from Avengers Endgame. Let's yalla guys, and here we go. That's Captain America, your most favorite character from Avengers Endgame. I bet you'll love it.
Bucky is alive!
And the next one we have is a machine gun. Let's wash him. Let's yalla guys. And here we go. That's a mini machine gun, but that's a plastic toy. But in real, this is really a bang bang thing. Here we go. So we have cleaned all the thing. Good job guys. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the show. Take care. Bye bye.